Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you about the grep command. So let's get started right away. Grep is basically used to search for text inside files. It's super useful for basically everyone, especially for programmers. It's very useful for debugging. So I'm going to start off with the basic structure of the command. So let's say I have this text file right here and I want to search for the letters A and B. So I'm going to write grep, whatever I want to search for, in this case AB, and the file name I want to search in. This file name is file1, and as you can see we have two matches. But as you can notice, we didn't match this uppercase instance of the letters A and B. So what we can do is use the I flag. The I flag basically does a case insensitive search. So now we also match this uppercase A and B. And another super important flag is the N flag. The N flag also returns to us the line number of each match. And as you can see, line 3 and line 4 have a match for the letters A and B. We can even use these flags together. So N and I is going to do a case insensitive search. And another super popular flag is the R flag. The R flag basically searches inside a directory instead of just one file. So let's say I want to search for the word hello, and I'm gonna leave the next argument empty. I'm not gonna provide a file name, and it's gonna search for hello inside directory 1 and all the subdirectories inside it. So directory 1, I'm gonna show it real quick. It has file 1 and this Python code file, and another subdirectory with another text file, and another subdirectory with another text file. I'm going to show you the content of each file really quick. So this is file 2, file 3, and file 4. So when I'm going to search for hello, it's going to return to us matches from each file. And a really popular combination of flags to use is R and I. And that's gonna basically do a case insensitive search in the folder you are in, and it's gonna return the file number of each match. And as you can see, file 1 for example has a match on line 1 and line 7, and this is a very common use combination of flags. Another important flag is the W flag. So let's say I want to search for the letter A inside file 1. And as you can see, we have 4 matches. But the W flag basically only does whole word matches or exact matches. So if I use the W flag, it's only going to return lines that have an exact match of the word we are searching for. So in this case, the letter A. And another useful flag is the V flag. So let's say I want to search for the letter A in file 1. But now, let's say I only want to get the lines that don't have a match, that don't have the letter A in them. So I'm going to use the V flag. And as you can see, only these 3 lines don't have the letter A in them. Let's use this together with the N flag. And as you can see, line 1, line 6, and line 7 are the only lines that don't have the letter A in them. And we also have the C flag. The C flag basically tells us how many matches, how many lines have a match for whatever we are searching for. So if I use the C flag, we have 4 matches. As you can see, there are exactly 4 lines that match that have the letter A in them. And last but not least is the L flag. So the L flag basically returns to us the files that have a match in them, the file names. So L is used together with R usually, so I'm going to use the flags L and R, and I'm going to search for the word hello, and I'm going to get all the files that have the word hello in them. So as you can see, I'm just going to show you without the L flag, and you can see these 4 files, my code file, file 1, file 2, and file 3, has the word hello in them. And that's basically it. For your debugging purposes, you should usually stick to R and I. And again, there may come times where you may need to use a different combination. So for example, we can maybe use the R and C flag, and it's gonna return to us it's gonna do a search inside the entire directory, and it's going to return to us how many matches each file has. And that's basically it. Thank you for listening and have a great day.